Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Good.
Thank you so much for having me here. Before we start, I want to ask some questions. So, how many of you have worked with or heard about 3D printing? You can raise your hand. Yeah, that's right. We're a tech event, right? So, but how many of you have heard about glass 3D printing? You can raise your hand. We need to talk after this, okay? But that's right. Glass 3D printing is not as well known as other 3D printing technology. It is actually the last frontier of additive manufacturing. My name is Chunxix. I'm the CEO and the founder of Nobel. In Nobel, we're transforming innovations by enabling glass 3D printing. Glass is a material that is hard to manufacture. Conventional glass manufacturing is making a huge mass production for glass part that has simple geometry like bottles or windows. Well, for application that requires highly functionalized glass part, like microfluidics, like lenses, clean room is usually required. Clean room equipped with lithography machine, etching process, that's gonna cost about 20 million euro. We're trying to replace this by something that is 100 times cheaper and 1,000 times faster. Right, it's a glass 3D printer. Nobel is the first player in the glass 3D printing market. And we have a scalable technology that is called direct glass laser deposition. In our technology, in the printer, we use laser beams as the heat source. Laser beam generate a hot zone that's so tiny, as small as 300 micron, and we feed a glass filament into the hot zone. The hot zone melts glass at 2,000 degrees, and we're printing glass in this way, layer to layer. We can use the laser to even smooth the glass. In using this method, you can build glass structure that was not possible before. Like the beautiful tower on the left, but you can also build glass fluidics for biomedical application, for chemical application, glass mechanics that endure high heat, micro lenses that have the perfect surface finish, and we can customize the array as much as you want. And you can also build structure in glass that was not possible by any other previous method. 3D printing has a proven track record being a fast-growth industry. It's revolutionizing different manufacturing market. While glass 3D printing is just in the beginning, and in Nobel, we are the market creator of this glass AM market. Today, I'm inviting you to join us by investing into us. We're raising a 10 million euro round. By joining us, we are disrupting a $1 trillion photonic and glass market. We're bringing changes in market and application, in photonics, in optics, glass packaging, in luxury goods, in anti-counterfeit. Nobel has the team that is tech-heavy. The founder started to work since 2016, while Michael was the supervisor of my PhD and Tara's PhD. Now we've grown the team into 7 people from 7 different nationalities. Together we have more than 120 years of R&D experience, and we're operating at the heart of Sweden in Stockholm. The team is continuously growing. Whether you're a partner, investor, collaborator, please reach out. When we started, people said glass 3D printing is not possible. Well, impossible is where we start. Thank you.